Yeah, so I'm not sure if you guys heard, but it's snowing in Florida. It's snowing in Florida right now. Check this out.
I mean, I've seen roads get better cleared in mountainous areas. Have we seen actually one plow?
No.
No, we haven't seen one plow. Like actually plow. I don't think we ever see this again in our lifetime. Unless we're in for something. Climate change.
He said, I don't think we're ever going to see this again in our lifetime. That's how bizarre and rare this is. Keep watching.
This is the new norm. So expect snow in Miami. And for something. Climate change. Climate change. Is this the new norm? Some people say climate change is the cause of this, and this is the new norm. So expect snow in Miami.
Hear what he said? He's asking the question, is this the new norm?
It's a polar vortex.
They've been saying polar vortex the last couple of years, but I don't.
So apparently this is the polar vortex here.
Complete and total winter wonderland here on epic proportions.
Epic.
How much snow are they going to get? Will they smash the 4-inch record? And I honestly think at this point we're getting close to 3 inches.
This weather app, one weather,
You guys heard that.
saying 4 inches so far.
So the weather, it has Milton at 4 inches so far. What app is that?
It's called weather app.
One weather app has Milton at 4 inches of snow. If that holds, it has tied the record already, and there's so much more snow to come.
Said there's so much more snow to come.
Yeah.
I mean, look at this. It's completely white. Look, it's completely white on the right.
So he's saying the record for Florida was 4 inches of snow, and they're getting close to 3 inches now, and it's still continuing to snow. So this might be a new record for Florida.
I really think I-10 north to the Alabama line, all in those areas, up to probably like Crestview, is getting this really heavy snow stuff. What's the temperature in Crestview? Because that was like another half hour or something to the east of Milton. It's 28. What's the temperature in Mariana?
All right, yeah. So just bringing that to you guys' attention. If you guys want to check out the rest of it or continue to watch it because he's actually live, you can go to Florida Storm Chasing Emergency Panhandle Live, and that's by JLR Investigates. So they got about 6,000 people watching, started about 4 hours ago. So if you guys want to check that out, go ahead. Make sure you guys subscribe or give a like, for the updates or whatever.
Dude.